bone to pick with you, Missy. I like country music. And this song is country.
I like it too, trust me.
Okay. We're all gonna like it, I think. Anyhow, it's something that I think it's innate in me. I don't know why. Whenever I was young and I was singing songs, my sister's here, she could vouch for me. I would make them up, and they would always have a country twang. And my mom felt the need to tell me that we don't listen to country music, so I don't know why you have a twang in your voice. But it was there, regardless. And I do tend to love Patty Griffin via the Dixie Chicks and all of that, so here we go. Ain't no talking to this man.
Yes.
Ain't no pretty other side. Ain't no way to understand the stupid words of pride. And it could take an acrobat, and I already tried all that. I'm gonna let him fly. Things can move at such a pace. The second hand just wave goodbye. You know the light has left his face, but you can't recall just where or why. And there was really nothing to it. I just went and cut right through it. Said I'm gonna let him fly. There's no mercy in a life wide, no rest at all in freedom. The choices we are given, it's no choice at all. The proof is in the fire you touch before it moves away. Yeah. But you must always know how long to stay and when to go. And there ain't no talking to this man. He's been trying to tell me so. It took a while to understand the beauty of just letting go. And it could take an acrobat. Hell, I tried all that.